Good evening. It's time for another Buzz with your cuz. Today we're doing something very special because it's that fall, autumn, Halloween spooky time, and we're going to use a hashtag today. One of my favorites, hashtag Monster Smash 2021. This is a drink challenge, so we're gonna get a little crazy with it. This drink challenge is sponsored by our friends Vino over at 60 Second Cocktails, Dave, Booze on the Rocks, Rob's Home Bar. So doing these challenges, they'll change you for sure. The drinks are outstanding. I've already checked out the hashtag, again, hashtag Monster Smash 2021, and I've seen all sorts of things, and that kind of helped us. I did. I threw on my I'm only here for the booze shirt because like you, that's why I'm here. We're only here for the booze, right? All right, so what do we have to do to be on this hashtag? What's part of the drink challenge? Well, number one, we're using the hashtag. We know this. Number two, we need a spooky garnish, which you can see Teresa starting on now. So you'll see on the screen, we're gonna hollow out one of these guys in orange. So we're gonna create an eyeball out of an orange. We're also going to dip this glass in black sand. You could see that there as part of the garnish. We're also gonna use some edible food color. We're gonna paint the blood on the bottom and an eyeball on top. Speaking of this guy, that's also part of this challenge. We have to muddle a fruit. So we're gonna muddle our orange today. I'm gonna think of it as a mini pumpkin, but it tastes better. Nobody likes pumpkin cocktails, right? We're also going to need herb. We're gonna use mint. Outstanding, they're so fragrant. We're gonna use our shaker. What are our ingredients? What are we making? So we're gonna use whiskey. We have Crown Royal here. You could also use Crown Apple or Crown Royal Apple also as well for this. We have some Di Serono Amaretto, Cointreau, Everclear, some OJ, Grenadine syrup. Let's get started. So we've already cut these oranges up. We're gonna dump them in here. So we're gonna get our oranges in there, muddle them up a little bit, just get them mashed up. Monster smash. Oh, you got that aroma right away. We're gonna get a couple of these mint leaves, put them in there, muddle them. Then we're gonna go in with a 1/4 ounce of Everclear. We're gonna muddle it a little more. Why? Because we want that high proof to start pulling the flavor out of the oranges, and that's exactly what's gonna happen. I mean, heck, you could drink this now. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of Cointreau in the bucket. Do a 1/4 ounce of Amaretto. For those of you who don't know, this is like an almond flavor. And there it goes. It's a pretty neat bottle. So 2 years ago they did a limited release for Christmas. Same thing, just wrapped really nice. Sweet. An ounce of Crown Royal whiskey. We're gonna try to get a decent seal on this thing. Shake it up. Now here's another important part. You need the ice cube skull. This has been fortified with grenadine. So the skull is in. We're going to take a little bit of grenadine here, just a little bit. Give that skull some blood. The crimson mask. Yes. Strain our drink on there. Top it off with some Tropicana. Look at how crazy that looks. You can see there the skull is floating around. The Spooky Garnish. The moment of truth. It's like the antidote. In fact, that's what we're going to call this. You know, Halloween time, very spooky time to drink cocktails. People are trying to turn you into a zombie. They're trying to shrink your head. They're trying to feed you poison apples. All these different things. This is the antidote. And the power comes from maybe the skull, probably the Everclear. This is a really refreshing drink. It has a really freaky color to it. It actually has like a pumpkin orange, but at the same time, if you check that out there, it has the red of the blood, especially on the bottom. We didn't stir that up, and that was on purpose, because we want to be left with that when we finally reveal the skull at the bottom of this glass. That is going down good. This will make you want to trick or treat. So guys, I really just want to thank you once again for coming out, getting a buzz with your cuz, celebrating Halloween, doing creepy stuff with booze. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, check out all those other drinks. Do not miss a single one. I promise you, they are very intriguing, they're tasty, they're delicious. They're a Monster Smash 2021. We're hashtagging Catch a Buzz with your cuz. We'll see you again next week. Hopefully, the antidote will save you. Okay.